Mike, let me start with you on this one. This is incredibly tragic on many levels, but let's talk about going back in time and when the hospital is reporting things and the hospital knows the impact those reports are going to have. Who is responsible for taking this little girl away from her family? Who is responsible for that legally?
Legally speaking, I don't think anyone did anything wrong to take the girl away from her family. The hospital was doing what they were legally required to do, which is reporting it to the Florida state government. But if we want to wonder who made the decision, it was the Florida state government. It wasn't the hospital. The hospital didn't detain the girl. The hospital.
But doesn't the hospital know that they're going to rely upon what the treating nurse is going to say and the physicians there are saying? Don't they kind of know that? And do you think it's at some point like ego kicks in where it's like, I'm right? We know what's going on here. Like, is there? And how about if they're wrong? How about if they're wrong in reporting this stuff?
Ego kicks in every decision on both sides of this particular case, right? But what if they were right? There are many instances where hospitals, just like this one, were right and they protected a kid. And if they weren't right, they could be subject to a lawsuit for not identifying it. So in my opinion, it's going to be impossible for them to say that it was foreseeable that the woman was going to kill herself after 87 days. Whether or not they made the right decision, that's a different question. But whether or not it was
how about the negligence? How about the negligence?